3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Your boy Flash McNasty. Today I got a banger in store for you. Hopefully MotorTube shows up. We can get this GTR versus TRX dig race off to the happening and the making. My brain is fried. Leave me alone. I'll hit y'all up. All right, y'all. Your boy Flash out here at Motor City Whips with your boy MotorTube. But he got the big TRX out, man. Listen, y'all, let me tell y'all, I did not know that this motherfucker was a behemoth, bitch. YouTube does not do this shit justice. When you look like, nigga, look how short I am. Nigga, look how short, I'm standing up. I'm a grown ass man standing up. This motherfucker's still towering over me. This bitch is the tall guy car reviews of fucking trucks. This big, tall, lanky motherfucker. Boy, that shit is big. Big fucking mammoth. But let me get back to showing y'all this. Look at this big bitch. God damn. God damn. Could I see myself in some shit like this? Yeah, ish. I mean, all right. I like this, but I'm still thinking I would go with a Raptor. But this shit is tough, and you already know this is the McNasty spec. That boy is pure red and black, just clearly the McNasty spec. I would probably get one of these, but I don't know if I would get it over the Raptor just yet. Maybe in the future, y'all. Shit's crazy, man. I love it. This is what love looks like. Big daddy. Big ass daddy. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah. So me and Ron, we gonna dig it up in a minute. You know what I'm saying? We gonna do our thing. Handle Thug Dizzle, he's over there now doing his thing. You know. Put your predictions in. We gonna dig it out. TRX versus a Nissan GTR. The only miles on the GTR is a mid-pipe catback exhaust. I want y'all in the comments to leave a good ass vote of who you think gonna win, right? Who my money on? I don't know. I don't know what that big behemoth is capable of. But I'm not sticking around to find out. I'm not sticking around to find out. I refuse to stick around to find out. That shit just got way too much sauce. Every time I'm looking at a video on YouTube, this big bastard pulling away from shit. Every car I've seen is just pulling away from shit. So I'm not gonna stick around to find out. Shit's crazy. Y'all see that, man? That's the champ right there. Man got everything you could imagine. The motherfucker wide body Hellcat, red eye, the Charger, and the Chally. And you already see that big ass TR Ezel.
I like heavy shit.
Yeah, that man said he heavy duty.
7,800 pounds.
7,800 pounds.
That's
about the same as y'all mama's weight. Half of y'all niggas listening to this shit.
That's that whole house.
No, bro, that shit. Wow, it looked like it just come from the factory lifted or some shit. Is that lifted, nigga? God.
There's a little lift on it.
Damn, yo, that shit. Wow.
That's it, perfect. Like I don't need to do anything else.
Dude, I love it. I'm in love. I ain't gonna cap. I love it. I was just.
You're not a Mopar guy, are you?
I'm not at heart. Okay.
But you can't like discredit what they do.
Right. So that's the thing. I'm not one of those weird ass niggas that's a hater. Like, I don't like fucking Mopar because it's Mopar. I'm one of those niggas that just respect the quality, right? And this is quality, and I respect that. You know, this is good engineering. I respect that. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be my taste, but I respect that. So what I was,
you gotta respect the numbers.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. What I was saying is, I think I would still get a Raptor because a Raptor is just something I've always wanted. This could be better. It probably is. I definitely need to see a video of them bastards side by side.
You got a V8.
Yeah, and that'd be great. But I think at the end of the day, I would want a Raptor just because that's just something I always personally wanted. And that's one thing I always tell y'all, man. Y'all stick true to yourself. Stay true to yourself. Get what you want. Don't get something just because Ryan got it. Don't get a GTR because I got one. Yo, get whatever the fuck it is that you dream of or deem as your dream car, dream truck, dream build. I don't give a fuck if you got a dream house in mind. Chase all that shit, man. Don't let some clown on the internet just tweeting affect your opinion or whatever it is you desire, because you get one shot at life, right? Use that shit chasing what you want. Literally what you want. You know, that's what I got to say about that. But anyway, yeah, this is a big bastard, dog. I do love it. Actually, you know what? I would like to have this motherfucker and just go mudding and go ape shit. Just literally go ape shit.
It's such a bitch to clean after.
I believe it. So
like, mud got in places you don't even think you could get into. You know?
Damn.
It's just like when you look at it like, goddamn, man, I done destroyed the fuck out of this truck. And it took a minute to get all the mud off, like the under it. I mean, everywhere. It was in the shocks. I mean, it was fucking so nasty.
I've never been off-roading, so I don't know what that experience is like. But in this,
GTR off-roading.
you know what? I probably could. And fuck that bitch 12 ways to Sunday. I tell y'all what. Hey, if there's any sponsors out there that would love to sponsor me and my GTR, I will totally be willing to take that bitch off-road. I don't give a fuck if it's in the middle of the jungle. Y'all sponsor whatever the fuck it is that I'm breaking, I do it. I got it. I promise you. Swear to God. I got this. I'll jump that bitch off the cliff. AAA, y'all fucked. I'm jumping this bitch right off the cliff, baby. But yeah, man. Yeah, this shit's a
702 horsepower,
Flashback.
and it weighs 7,800 pounds. Your GTR weighs what?
About 41.
4,100. So I weigh double his weight, just about double his weight. So how much horsepower does the GTR come with?
545 crank, and then 466 torque.
Okay, so there's about what, 102, just about a 200 horsepower difference between these two.
Yeah.
And you know, mine weighs double the weight, so you know, horsepower to weight ratio.
Yeah. Hey.
It ain't looking good for the truck, but the fact that we can even mention these two in the same conversation.
What I'm gonna tell y'all is, it's not about who wins or lose this race right about now. Just look at them bad bitches. It's about me finally being able to pursue my personal passion as a YouTuber. Like this has just been my thing, right? I always wanted to be a YouTuber, and I'm just here to follow my dreams and make that shit happen. Like I inspire all of y'all to do, you know what I'm saying? So today is actually kind of a big day for me, and the reason why it's big is because I just wanted to wake up in the morning, or I feel like I always just wanted to wake up in the morning and just do something I love. I haven't had that feeling in a long time, and today I finally got to have that feeling, so it feels good to finally be able to do some shit like this, right? It's simple to you, or it doesn't make sense to you, and that doesn't matter to me, because you got your own ass life and you don't fucking got a GTR or a TRX, so that means clearly you're doing something wrong with your life. So don't fucking judge me. And if you're fucking judging me, go for it, man. I don't give a fuck. Judge me, nigga. It fucking matter. But I'm not talking down on any of y'all. I don't have fucking having a dick comparison contest or none of that shit. I'm just telling y'all motherfuckers what make me happy, and this is the shit that makes me happy. So anyway, let's get back to the race. What's y'all predictions as far as the TRX versus the GTR? Do you think this big ass truck, this goddamn army tank's gonna jump off on your boy Godzilla? Or do you think Godzilla is just gonna jump away from the start? So this shit is gonna be fucking insane. I can't wait. I personally can't wait. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to make this little quick little shout out video. Thanks, Ryan, for finally linking up, aka MotorTube. Appreciate you. One love, all that good shit. Shout out to y'all future YouTubers that's watching this shit, that's finally getting around to watching that shit. We gonna link up too. States I'm gonna visit. I gotta visit y'all niggas in Cali, Texas, right off the bat. A couple of y'all niggas in Florida. We all gonna link up. Oh, especially Atlanta. I'm gonna fuck with all y'all eventually. And I'm gonna get everything sorted. I plan on taking this bitch on the road. This is daily driven GTR. This is not a garage queen. This is my dream car. Look, bitch, I got one life and I'm gonna drive this bitch like I stole it. Every day, bro. Every day. Oh, I almost forgot to give y'all some shit now. I'm fucking up. I'm still new to this whole shit. Yeah, I'm slacking. This man was like, yo, he's like, what you forgetting? I was like, shit, nigga, nothing. I'm about to get in the way. He's like, bruh, to this shit, there's levels to this shit. He was like, yo, you gotta go ahead and get them niggas the warm start, man. Start this big motherfucking behemoth. Woo! 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 That bitch sound hungry. Is it ready to eat a little V6?
Yeah, it competes with the Raptors. You know, we all run 14-second quarter mile time.
Damn.
Just like the Raptors.
Yeah, you heard that man say. Hey, y'all get y'all ass out here and get baked by that big bitch. Don't let that nigga flee. That motherfucker ride out smooth. Ladies and gentlemen, on your mark, we have. You good? That's fine right there. The infamous TRX. The Tyrannosaurus Rex versus the mighty Godzilla. This is the battle of the primes. The battle you all been waiting for. Done on YouTube by terrible fucking drivers. Now done by professional ghetto drivers. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Detroit style. Dig my fucking shades. Your boy fucked up. I had an manual mode and this bitch bogged down on me because I'm a fucking newbie. It's okay. Mom, pop, it's in auto now. Shit was intense. It's hella crazy, hella fun, but hella intense. Boy botched the first run.
Okay, I'll give you those W's. Okay, those are the runs.
Man, I don't know how the fuck I didn't notice that shit said M. I'm like, oh yeah, let's go. Oh,
race, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were a manual mode.
Yeah, so I was like, yeah, nigga, oh! Yo, I jumped on, I was like, oh! I wish I had my fucking GoPro mounted in here and shit.
That would be comedy.
Yo, niggas would have been like, that nigga almost smacked the steering wheel because my face went forward. Did you see my car dip?
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit! Then I looked at it, I was like, did my transmission just blow the fuck up or some shit? Nah, niggas is stupid. Niggas ain't never in the right race modes and shit. That's the craziest shit.
That was good, but your weight came into
yeah, it all comes down to weight and like a little bit of aerodynamics there. That's the meanest shit I've ever seen from a dig. I think a CA would have its work cut out for it if it ran up against this son of a bitch.
Yeah,
Dog, I got one for you. I got one for you. That's not a problem. And guess what? We gonna do the 3 red lines. It's a red CA. So we'll line all 3 of these bitches up. How that say? Hey, go!
That sounds good.
Burnout Kings, you coming with us, nigga. We gonna do a 3-way burnout / motherfucking dig, nigga. I got you. It's gonna go down. What y'all wanna see? A CA here, GTR here, TRX here? Think about that. The dig champions of the world going out. I almost got hit. Thank you, Mr. Man, not killing me. I almost got my shit split.
You almost collected on that insurance.
Yeah, right? You see that shit? I was like, hey, thank you, Mr. Man. Hey, I was about to say, thank you, Mr. Man, for not hitting me. I turned around, he laughing and shit. But anyway, y'all almost fucking died. That nigga almost knocked all my Sonic coins out. Shit's crazy. But yeah, Ghost, I'm coming for you, boy. And you've been talking all that shit too online. You definitely bringing your ass out here. Line that CA up. We want to see what that CA do. Or see if niggas lying on their numbers.